I'll be jumping slowly. Oh! Yeah! Fuck, dude! He stepped on it! My boy got the super shit on. The boy hot.
Where you go? Andy!
Run in here and get your juice.
Oh, look at them shoes. Look, them boys hot. Look at them shoes.
What's up, we live?
Yeah, we live.
Alright guys, I don't know where the fuck we at, but
Yeah, this shit's all scrambled up, bro. I woke up late as fuck.
Oh, it's like already 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
hey, we still got 4 hours of show, we still got 3 hours of daylight.
Fucking.
I still got a 6-hour drive home. Damn,
In
that's
a
not
couple days. Them boys hot.
Them boys, look at them. Them boys hot. Woo. That's you?
Hey, what about my boy here?
That's you? Who this? Them boys hot. Hey, what's shining? His chrome ass wheels or them shoes?
Someone comes out wearing a band shirt, we're really mad.
Why?
We're all wearing the same thing.
What is good, guys? Just got you Clean Culture. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? It's fucking lit. What's up? What's up, everybody? What's up, bro? What's up, G? What's up, G? What's up, bro? What's up? What's up?
What?
I know you guys.
Hey, bro, I just seen you yesterday.
No, you didn't. Doing your thing, bro? Yeah. Doing your thing? Hey, you back?
I'm back.
Hey, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. What's up, bro?
What's going on, man?
How what's your name, bro?
Lucio, you can subscribe to my channel, it's Bloomington's Finest.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you,
Thanks for watching, man.
Alright, take it.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
If you see that guy over there doing rounds again, go over and tell him no.
Bro.
Fuck your video.
Bro, I've been waiting for my food for an hour. An hour.
How long, bro?
An hour.
Really?
An hour. An hour.
That's how long it was.
Wait, for what?
Pastrami burger and a cheeseburger.
That's it.
But anyways, guys, I haven't been really filming because I've been in line, dude. I've been in line for an hour.
So you want to
I'm already almost out of sunlight. Nah.
Oh.
You know why I want you. You know why
Yeah,
I
I know
want
you
you.
want me. Everybody knows.
Hey, you guys been enjoying the meal or what?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
What's your thoughts, Cyril?
I mean, so far, it's pretty
It's
poppin'.
not that bad. People said it was like not organized. But
I heard in the beginning it was really unorganized. Like we seen the people from the gas station, they were like, "Oh, we left because it's unorganized. Like we couldn't get in." Jesse just told me that he talked to some people that like they were here since like 10 in the morning. And I didn't come in till 1.
Fuck, dude, fuck that.
Fucking crazy.
Good thing we're spectators.
Yeah, I know.
Good.
and we're late. Good thing we were late.
Yeah.
We're not
true.
late. Man.
Yeah.
Next year though, next year.
Next year, we bro, imagine. Ooh.
Dude,
Ooh.
our own booth?
That's a wrap. That's a wrap. Our own booth next year?
I'm buying our own booth right now.
Let's do it. Let's set up. Let's set up.
Go to Michael's real quick.
Michael's? Marcel, you getting drunk?
No, this is yours.
Oh, bro, no, I'm not
I
21.
bought it just for you.
Oh, shit.
With your money.
Alright, guys, everybody gather around. We're gonna do top 50. Top 50. We're gonna do top 50. What's up, you guys? We're gonna do top 50. If you guys gotta get top 50,
Dude, an E30 M3.
Why the taillights go to the music?
Fuck. Ah. I did not see these skylines either, bro.
See, that's what it's called, Andy, right there. Hakasuka.
Haka. What you
I don't
call
know,
it?
it's Hakasuka.
Dude, these things are crazy.
Skyline. My bad, I keep cutting you off, my bad. Haku what?
Guys, this is legit goals for my S2000. Those are the wheels that I want, that I'll save up for eventually one day, but this thing's fucking clean, dude. If anybody knows the owner, let me know.
Our dads ran her over. And then they made us put the shirt inside out.
Hey, so what'd you guys think of Clean Culture? Well, I need all you guys' opinions right now.
Unorganized, piece of shit.
Oh, damn.
It was pretty good. It was eventful.
What did you guys think,
A lot of
Marcel?
reps everywhere.
Oh,
Everywhere.
Shit.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Who, me?
Yeah, about clean culture.
How do you feel?
I hate it.
Well, I feel the same way you do.
High five.
We should have said it.
Goofy looking at
Say it again.
I will again.
so I'm not sure if I got that much footage. I don't think I did.
Shut up. Andrew.
Alright, for sure. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty sure I'll film a little bit later. I don't know. We might get some rollers. My hand off the camera to Marcel. But he's way the fuck over there, so never mind. Are we gonna go eat right now?
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to Tommy's.
Tommy's. Ooh, damn! I just ate too, so fuck. Wait, that's the place that's for chili cheese, right?
Oh, chili.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't like chili though. It's still good.
I fuck with it. Fuck it, let's go.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna do a little vlogging. We're about to get some creamistry. Is that how you pronounce it? Creamistry? Maria, how you pronounce it? Creamistry? You guys ever had creamistry?
I thought we were going to Dickies.
Yeah, I had it junior year of high school.
What?
Chemistry.
Oh, I had that junior.
I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited. Bro, it's like hella fire. Like, what is this? Alright guys, I don't know where the night has taken us, but we're in a...
I'm supposed to be home.
We're in a random ass parking lot, far away from home. And we're just taking pictures.
This is Leo's hometown.
So I'm gonna end off the video right here. Actually, I'm gonna show clips of all of us, you know, like right...
Just us, I feel a lot more comfortable.
Yeah.
That was just me, I guess what that is.
If I thought it was gonna be just him too.
Buddy, it's your turn next.
What?
It's almost your turn, buddy.
It's not pretty enough.
Okay, buddy, I'm on work, not to see archives.
Yeah, but you're handy, so it's okay.
No, it's not. Look at it. I don't even know the.
Drag wheels, we ain't drag racing.
Yeah.
Okay, buddy.
Alright, guys.
Oh, they're coming.
Alright, guys.
Let's go!
Alright, guys, I'm ending off the video right here. We're almost done taking pictures, but I hope you guys enjoy Clean Culture. It was a pretty lit meet, and Leo's here. Sadly, couldn't make the meet.
Oh well, next time.
It was pretty tight though, but yeah, I'm gonna try to get this video up for you guys soon. I still gotta upload the video on the FRS. So again, hopefully soon, guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and the next video is painting your car, maybe?
No.
Yeah, it's not. It's not, guys. But alright, see you later.